Y'all, it has been a hot minute since I have filmed a video, and I first want to apologize and say I'm so sorry for how long it's taken me to kind of get back in front of the camera. You know, 2020 was a really funky year for a lot of people, myself included, from distance learning to having both my husband and I work from home. And I'm in real estate. I've talked about that before, but things kind of went crazy great, which was awesome, but they started out a little rough. And then I was faced with a lot of computer issues in terms of the stuff I was using to edit, and everything just kind of get put on the back burner over and over and over. My intentions were good, but I never got there. So I just want to first apologize and say I'm so sorry that it's been so long since I've been with you guys, but I am back and I'm working on some content to kind of get me through, and hopefully it's fun stuff for you. I think it will be. So today's video is all about Tarte's Amazonian Clay foundation that I just put over here. Where did I put it? Okay, so this is what it looks like. I wanted to try this one because I think I've talked about the fact that I like medium to medium full coverage foundations. I like that in between. The light stuff, maybe in the summer is great if I'm gonna be outside all day, but you know, I have oily skin, so I always need something that's going to keep me matte. And this one just really looked interesting to me, so I ended up purchasing this, I think around Christmas time. And I really didn't start playing with it until January, but I'll have to tell you, it's actually kind of up there with my L'Oreal Infallible foundation that I absolutely love, and I've talked about over and over and over again, you know, on some of my videos. But this video is all about this. I'm just going to show you how it goes on. I'm going to show you the consistency of it. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the product. This is directly from Tarte's website. It's a 12-hour makeup. It's oil-free. It has SPF of 15. It is rated like amazingly well. It's vegan, dermatologist tested, waterproof, and it lasts, like I said, for over 12 hours with a matte finish. So all of those things, I was like, yes, sign me up, especially in the summer, waterproof, and if I want to have a little bit of coverage, this will work. So the first one I ordered actually wasn't the right shade for me. I ordered it online and it was way too light. So luckily I was able to swing into Ulta and pick up the right shade, which was much darker than I thought I was going to be, but it ended up being like a perfect match. So next up is just going to be the application and to show you the consistency. And I want to show you, this is the Tarte, and I have it in shade 29B light medium beige. So I want to show you the consistency because that is kind of what's interesting about this foundation for me. So I am a texture kind of person. It's almost like a mousse. So I'm going to try to show you, like, see how it's like, it doesn't move. It's thick when it comes out, kind of like clay. So we're just going to get into it. So I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just patting this in. I can't decide if I really love the consistency or if it bothers me, but I will tell you that I do like the coverage. So that is my one layer on, completely buffed out with my beauty blender, which is always my preferred. And I think it looks pretty good. I don't think it is full coverage. I can definitely build it up, but that's not the look I'm going for right now. I just want to get a nice light coverage of it to kind of show you guys what it's looking like. I'm going in with my translucent setting powder. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I've talked about this before. I really enjoy this. So I just take a little bit and concentrate it underneath my eyes. Not a lot, but I do have some fine lines, so I don't want it to settle in there. And this is the final product. I actually really enjoy the finish of this. Like I said, everybody knows I'm oily, so it definitely stays nice and matte for me, and I'm enjoying it. I can't really say anything bad about it. Want to know, have you guys tried this? Do you like this? Are there other foundations that you've found for 40 and over that you like better? I know, at least with my channel, I'm a little unique in the fact that I am still oily. I have so many friends that talk to me about needing dewy foundations, and I'm happy to try some of those. I just have to make sure that I have really strong products underneath to kind of combat that, and a great powder on top of that, especially with, and I'm in Florida, it's February. Yesterday it was 84 degrees. Today it's a high of 68. So I am definitely channeling my inner summer with my shirt, good wine and sunshine. But in any event, I'm so glad to be back. I'm so grateful that you guys hung in with me. If you have any questions about this product, or if you want me to review something else, please leave it in the comments below. And I can't wait to see you guys on my next episode. Take care and have a great day.